Turning off the circuit breaker. Alright, we have the pump hums, doesn't turn on. Took off the back cover, the flathead. Now I'm going to try and turn the shaft clockwise, which it does. It's hot. I don't know if that means anything or if it's just today. But turning the shaft in case it's blocked. Ow. If it's overheating or what. Alright, this is the capacitor. Let's take out these bolts and take it out. I have one of these screwdrivers and it seems to be that size. I don't know what it is, but it's just a bolt. You got it. Alright, lifting it up. God, this thing's hot. Alright, there's the capacitor. Now, put on gloves in case it pops. I need to get the charge out of it. Just gonna hold the screwdriver across. Heard a few little sizzles there. Okay, all the charge should be dissipated. Okay, so if the label's facing up, that's how it goes, just straight. This is the capacitor. I think I need to know the UF micro, I don't know. I'll tell you what I need to know. Had this pump for about 2 years. Let's give me some pliers. Yep, just pull these off. Kind of wiggle them a little bit. Gosh, I just twisted them. Damn it. I'm sure this is how they were going. I don't know. I don't think it matters. It's just looking at it, it does look a little pop there. I don't know if that's by design or what, but alright, the important thing is you have to have at least 30 UF and the volts has to be equal or slightly greater. But I'm going to try and find it at Home Depot, I guess, or Lowe's. One makes it backwards, but I got a Capcom capacitor. See, this doesn't. This is the same microfarad, that 30 UF and 440 AC voltage matches, and it's a long, slender one. It has a slight dent in it, but that's pretty standard out here in West Texas apparently. So let's hook it up, see if it works. I hope it doesn't matter. Just hook it up on one. There we go. There. Just gonna push these wires back in. See if I can put the cover back on. So I don't have to mess with it. And put the screws in, turn it on. Hopefully we got a pop. Alright, $11 fix for the win. Nice. It's working, guys. Capacitor. $11. Just replace it at the same time. Gotta get this air out. Alright, we'll see you next time. Oh, money shot. Son of a bitch.